have a massive toy unboxing.
Mommy.
And we're going to pick it under the table. And whatever one we get, we're going to play with that one. Let's get started. Whoop. Emma, you want to go pick it first?
Yeah.
Okay, go pick. Wow, good job. Ooh. So we got a egg, and it has this little chicken side, and this limited edition where we could find the golden chick or the rare one. Let's open it up.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me. Okay, so take out the egg. Ooh, I'm not careful. Need help? Okay, take that off. Gonna pull off the tape. Where's the tape? Remove the tape. Remove the tape. Uh-oh. Wait. I mean, help. Emma, wait. We have to pull out. We have to pull this out. Don't hit it. I think I. Ooh. Okay, now. You are tapping? You are tapping? You want to try and open it? Yeah. Wow! I think we got the rare one. Okay, so now we are going to pick, I'm going to pick the next one. Okay. Let's see what she picks. I'm going to pick this girl from Summer. Sunny Day. Sunny Day, not Summer. I keep calling her Summer. Okay, let's open it. Guys, look, she has a little stand. Then you just press it on. There she stands. And she also has this other part of her hair. On the box it says she has a mysterious hair streak. So let's untie the belt in the back of her hair and let's see what it is. Look at her hairstyle. It's funny. Okay, let's open it. Let's take off a little. 3, 2,
Mommy.
Whoa! Oh, wait, it's a little ball. Oh, it has hair stuff in it. That's so cool. Prizes. Whoa! Look at my hair streak.
Well, I don't see my hair.
That's cool.
Mine is the same.
No, yours is different. Mine's a white glittery one. Yours is a
Purple, pink, blue. Whoa, that's cool, but this one doesn't move. It's plastic. This one doesn't move because it's plastic.
It looks like she has a cute ponytail.
Let's open this.
Her hair's funky. Let's put her down.
Let's open this back.
Whoa. So it says there's 2 stickers and 2 mysterious comb and a crown.
See?
You broke the
So she got a cupcake hair clip.
She has
a cupcake blue hair clip.
Oh, you have a different one than me. What?
Oh. And she also has this rainbow one that she had in her hair like that. So she has 2 now. And wait! You have a little
Crown.
or headband.
So I have a little headband or a crown.
Mommy,
I can't get the comb out. Yeah, and then we have the comb. I can comb her hair.
I don't know if it'll really
Her hair's smooth.
Really
Then
smooth.
we
It's
have
really funky because it's been in like the bun for a long time. So it's really funky because it's been in the bun for a long time. That's why it's all poofy.
And then we have 2 mysterious stickers. Ooh. These ones, there's sunglasses, a lollipop.
I got some hair extensions, a hairbrush,
a popsicle, and then these are little.
and I got Sunny.
These are Sunny Day signs, and then I have a little sticker of Sunny.
I only have 2. Okay, man, it's your turn to pick.
Okay. I'm gonna pick this one.
Ooh.
She's pretty. So this is a Barbie doll from Fashionista. Fashionista. Unbox this. Okay, guys, we got her out of the box, and look how pretty she is. She has really pretty hair. It's like blue and white. Most of it is blue. And her shirt says "Dream All Day." And pick the next toy right there. I'll pick toy. I'll pick toy. Whoa! You picked this one? Yeah. So Emma picked this really big Squishmallows one. Let's unbox it. Whoa. Whoa! Okay, so let's take them out. So there's this kitty one. It has purple and pink. No, we're gonna open it. Oh. And this doggy one. It's an elephant. I forgot what kind of doggy it was. Oh. Honk shoe. Let's search for their names. So the first one is the turtle. The turtle's name is Henry. Yeah, Henry. And then the next one is the elephant, which is Milla. And flamingo, right? The next one is the kitty cat. Kitty cat. Is this a flamingo? Yeah, I don't remember. The kitty cat's name is Charlotte. Charlotte. Yeah, it's a fox. Wait, Emma, no. What is this one? And this is the next one. This is a lamb. Its name is Jacob. That doesn't look like a lamb. It's a lamb. This name is Jacob. This one is a fox. It's named James. This one is a butterfly. Her name is Brenda. How about this one? We already said that one. That's How about this one? And then this is the dog. That's Prince. And then the last one, that's Flamingo, is Cookie. Cookie. Maybe this one should be Cookie because it's a cookie color. Okay. I want to do this jelly bean challenge. Bean boozles. Bean boozles. Oh, they don't look like the disgusting. And I already know that they're stinky socks because I watched their video and they did this. I already know that there's a flavor called stinky socks, and because I watched a video. This one's stinky socks. The rainbow one is stinky socks. What? That's weird. I thought it was maybe. Let's start opening it. Yeah. Juicy pear could be boogers. Okay, so we got it unboxed and let's open it. Ooh, some of the jelly beans. Okay. I see stinky sauce. Okay, guys, so the way you guys play this game is you have to spin this wheel, and whatever you land on, you have to eat that one. And you can also drink water. You have to try not to spit it out. Yeah, you spit it out, you lose. But you can drink water. Blue one. Okay, so you want to spin first, or I spin first? Okay, I don't want to do it. So we're going to try it one time. You got the purple. So I got strawberry banana smoothie, or it could be dead fish. So which one? It's this one. It looks spicy. That looks. So the part that looks most of the one that has most of the color, like a peach color. It's like a peach color. It smells. It smells good. Let me smell. That smells gross. I'm gonna taste it now. I don't even smell it. I got dead fish. This tastes so much like dead fish. It smells like. It tastes like fish. Ew. I don't want to eat it. You can't spit it out. We don't have. okay? I think. I don't know.
I don't want to eat it.
Just go spit it out. Come on. If you spit it out, it's fine. You can still keep going.
Can I spit it out?
Oh. Okay, go throw it, trash.
Put it in the trash bag right there.
Oh, that's so gross.
All right.
It smells so bad. Okay,
Give
now
the bag
I'm
to
gonna
Emma too. Give the bag to Emma. She needs to spit her out. Okay, Belle, your turn.
You don't like the blue? Yeah. The blue tastes yummy. Okay, my turn. Okay, can I spin the wheel? Yeah, I spin the wheel. Okay, ready? I'm gonna start by the one that I want. Because I think it lands on the... Oh, my machine.
After I pick.
I got the...
You could get butter popcorn or rotten eggs.
Butter... Wait, which one's rotten egg?
This one. This could be butter popcorn or rotten egg.
So what is this one?
No, you didn't land on that one, so you don't need
That's...
which one is that?
This one.
I think it's the white one.
No, it's this one. Wait, no, it's not the white one. It's this one.
That's
this
rainbow.
I don't know stuff.
It's yellow and white. I don't know which one it is.
They don't have it. Wait, we don't have that flavor. Wait, is this one? No.
Wait. Yeah, it's that one because there's no other one that's yellow.
Toy.
It's that one. Okay, we found the
Here it is.
the rotten egg or butter popcorn. So 3, 2, 1. What does it smell like?
It smells like...
It smells.
I'm just gonna try to eat it.
No, let me smell it.
It smells like rotten...
I don't smell anything. Eat it. Spit it out. She definitely got rotten eggs because butter popcorn doesn't taste that disgusting.
I
want to try the blue one.
I taste so gross!
It's so loud. Okay, so we have the Ryan's Instant Slimy Blaster.
You don't want it? No, you don't want it! Pew, 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 pew. So now let's start opening this.
Emma, you want me to open it?
Oh, I get it now. So you have to make the slime. I get it now because that thing, it's like the slime powder and you make the slime. It has a green bag and a blue bag. It has a green bag and the blue bag is under it.
We have 2 green bags and 1 blue bag. So this is green, and blue.
Now these are open.
Oh wait, here's another blue. So you could use blue or you could use green.
There's 2 of each.
And here's the slime gun. And I think this is the character Gus.
And I think I know how you fill it. From this. Oh yeah. I love it.
You gotta ask. So we'll play this on a different video because you have to go outside and play with this. And we don't want to get the house dirty on the inside. So you might see us do this in a different video soon. So let's unbox the next toy. Okay,
So she picked it. This one. Each one.
one more. So we have 3 for each of us.
So
No, 1 for each of us.
So this is the Thomas collection.
And if you press the button, I think they light up. Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, let's
Button
start
and it
opening.
lights up. That's amazing.
Wait, it like. So they light up the color that they are. So this one, yellow. Oh! It moves by itself.
Emma, light out. Press the button. 3, 2, 1.
They're all lighting. Plus! Pink! No!
Wait,
Well,
I think they could connect.
now?
Let's gather all the trains and let's see if they could connect.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's connect them.
So, they connect.
Oh, cool.
So, go.
There you go.
So you clip them on.
Me too.
So they do connect. Okay, Emma, let's get all of them and just connect them.
Connect them, connect them, connect
Thomas
them.
is going to be in front. And then the other Thomas is going to be in the back guarding. Perfect.
I go.
And now let's, oh no. Okay, let's light them.
Go.